Did you know the only reason we know what happened inside Masada on its final night is because a few people refused to die? It was 74 AD. 960 Jewish rebels had held a mountain fortress above the Dead Sea for 3 years. Below them, Roman soldiers had spent months building a massive ramp up the cliffside, hauling earth and stone until they could finally breach the walls. The night before the Romans crossed over, the leader of the garrison spoke to his people. He convinced them that slavery and public humiliation in Rome was a fate worse than death. They agreed. Lots were drawn, families said goodbye, and by morning nearly everyone inside was gone. When Roman soldiers entered, they expected a fight. They found silence. But 2 women and 5 children had hidden inside a water cistern. They came out. They told the Romans everything. The speeches, the decision, the final moments. 960 people chose to disappear from history. 7 people are the only reason the story survived.